The ability of some parrot species to mimic and produce human speech is indeed a fascinating mystery. While our understanding of this phenomenon is not complete, scientists have identified several factors that contribute to parrots' remarkable ability to talk. Parrots are one of the few groups of animals capable of vocal learning, which is the ability to imitate and learn new sounds. Humans are the most well-known vocal learners, and some other animals like dolphins and certain songbirds also possess this skill. Parrots have a specialized vocal learning circuit in their brains that allows them to mimic and modify the sounds they hear. Parrots possess a unique vocal apparatus called the syrinx, which is located at the base of their trachea where it meets the bronchi. The syrinx is highly developed and allows for a wide range of sound production and control, making it possible for parrots to imitate various sounds, including human speech. In the wild, parrots are social animals that live in flocks and communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations. This social nature likely contributes to their ability to learn and mimic sounds, including human speech. In captivity, parrots often form strong bonds with humans and may mimic speech as a way to communicate and interact with their human companions. Parrots are excellent imitators and have a strong capacity for learning by observation. They can pick up on patterns, repeat sounds they hear frequently, and even learn to associate certain words or phrases with specific actions or events. This ability to associate sounds with meanings allows them to use words and phrases in context. Cognitive abilities. Parrots are known for their high cognitive abilities, including problem-solving skills and the ability to learn complex tasks. This cognitive flexibility likely contributes to their capacity to learn and produce speech. Brain structure and vocal learning. The remarkable ability of parrots to mimic human speech is closely linked to their brain structure, particularly the regions responsible for vocal learning. One such area is the song system, which includes structures analogous to the human brain's language centers. Studies have shown that the avian brain, while structurally different from the mammalian brain, has analogous regions that play a role in vocal learning and imitation. Interestingly, the song system in parrots exhibits a high degree of plasticity, meaning it can change and adapt based on experience. This plasticity enables parrots to modify and refine their vocalizations over time, leading to the development of more accurate and complex imitations. Social interaction and communication. Parrots are highly social birds, both in the wild and in captivity. In their natural habitats, they use vocalizations not only for communication but also for bonding, coordinating group movements, and warning each other about predators. This social context likely contributes to their aptitude for learning and imitating various sounds, including human speech. In captivity, parrots often form strong bonds with their human caregivers. They observe and interact with humans daily, which provides them with ample opportunities to listen to and mimic the sounds of human speech. Some parrots even seem to recognize specific human voices and respond to them accordingly, further highlighting their capacity for social interaction and communication. Mimicry as a survival strategy. In the wild, certain parrot species use mimicry as a survival strategy. They can imitate the calls of other birds, animals, and environmental sounds, helping them blend in with their surroundings and avoid potential predators. This ability to mimic a wide range of sounds likely laid the foundation for their capacity to imitate human speech. Parrots are known for their advanced cognitive abilities, which enable them to solve complex problems, demonstrate innovative behaviors, and adapt to changing environments. This cognitive flexibility likely plays a role in their ability to learn and produce speech. Parrots can associate specific words or phrases with actions, objects, or events, demonstrating a level of understanding that goes beyond mere mimicry. In some parrot species, vocalizations and mimicry can be passed down from generation to generation, akin to cultural transmission. Young parrots learn vocalizations by observing and interacting with older, more experienced individuals, much like how human languages are learned through social interactions within a community. In conclusion, the ability of parrots to talk is a captivating interplay of their neurobiology, social nature, cognitive abilities, and the context of their environments. While scientists have made significant progress in unraveling the mystery, much remains to be discovered about the intricate mechanisms that underlie this unique skill. The study of talking parrots not only deepens our understanding of animal communication and cognition but also offers insights into the evolution of vocal learning and language-related traits in both birds and humans.